welcome to the show Economy and Ecology. Today we're gonna look around a little company, Le Bruguicourt, who was taken on a new lease of life. First, let me introduce you, the manager. Good morning.
Good morning.
Hello.
Hello. Sylvain Le Breton.
So, can you present your company, please?
Yes, my name is Sylvain Le Breton. I'm the manager of the company Le Bruguicourt. The company is specialized in the wood lamps and wood cap and gold games. Our products are charismatics. All our products are ecological manufactured, but they keep competitive prices. We are set up in the region of Vannes since 6 months. An important touristic area.
Okay.
This area is very popular during the summer with an influx of tourists. Concerning the organization chart, there is 5 persons who work here. There is Mélanie Le Carrère in charge of the marketing, Maxime Moreau responsible for the logically, and finally Pierre Bas, the financial director.
Okay. Could you evoke more precisely your projects?
Concerning the product, I propose you to meet my marketing responsible, Mélanie Le Carrère.
Okay, follow me. Hello, I'm Kili for the Ecology.
Good morning.
So we are the marketing manager.
Yes.
What can you tell me about the products?
Our company is centered primarily on 2 products which have the same materials.
Okay.
First of all, our main product is a wooden lamp of exceptional quality. Our second product is very similar to the lamp by the form. It's a wooden cup and ball. Several colors are available, like red, blue, black, yellow, but only one form of cup and ball and lamp exists.
Okay. How do you make know your company?
Thanks to advertising, we developed a maximum, and with word of mouth, we have expanded our clientele.
Okay.
Moreover, we have a good value for money. Our prices remain accessible to all. Originally sold at 10 euro in large orders, the unit price can decrease. The cup and ball sold for 4 euro. Whatever the color of the product, the price is the same.
Okay, so already a leader in the Bilboken market. What do you expect from us?
First, for a local sale, we hope with your help to cross the frontier of our country fast enough, best in the coming 5 years. For the moment, we wanna to pass the national market.
Okay.
International.
What are your strengths for enlarge your market share again?
Our main strength is the quality of our materials. So here is Maxime. He will be able to present you in more detail our raw materials.
Okay.
Okay.
Hi.
I'm the responsible of logistics.
I have some questions for you. What are your strategy concerning your stocks?
Come with me to see the results.
Okay.
For the month of January, we can see we have not needed to buy a lot of raw materials. Since we still had a fairly substantial stock, we managed to sell all our stock because of our low prices and our large advertising budget.
Okay.
So we succeed in our goal of just in time. In February, we can see we tried to reproduce this while increasing production. But even if you manage to sell well since our first place for sales cups on balls and lamps.
How can you explain this?
This can be explained by the fact that the monthly seasonal factor has decreased to a point and therefore reduces the number of total sales.
Okay.
Or we can see our sales forecasts were overstated.
Mm.
In March we had no initial stock of raw materials, but because of our stock so quite finished
Mm.
products, we do not need to place an order. For me in April, we can see we did not buy raw materials to sell our finished goods inventory and pursue our goals to produce lean.
Ok, donc knowing that your stocks has not been fully passed, are you able to continue your strategy?
For the following months, we have maintained our strategy, but deciding for the month of May our lower sales price and increase our production greatly, which is why we have made a large order of goods, despite some setbacks in sales during this period.
Okay.
We continue our strategy of just in time to lessen our cost. That's why we still decrease our price in order to sell our entire production.
Okay.
But for the rest of analysis, you must talk with Peter. It's the financial director.
Okay, here we go.
Coming!
Hi.
Hi, sit down. Okay.
Okay.
Do you want drink?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
Peter, what can you tell me about the company?
I will talk about the financial situation of the company. To begin, our cash, we are in the positive. We currently have cash of 1,117.5 euros.
Okay.
And with a time of crisis, have a positive cash flow is very hard to obtain. In terms of loans, we make the choice not to go. In fact, the interest rates are indeed too high for our young company.
Okay. In terms of sales, you are the best. Are you not you?
Yes, after our cups and bulbs in cumulative sales, we are 1,365 euros, and our big point of satisfaction are sales of lamps. Our sales in June cumulative from the beginning of our company are of 2,296 euros. We are the market leaders.
Yes, but there are still some difficulties to cover your expenses.
We are a company which in the long terms will be the best in the industry. At first we experienced some problems with our stock. We store too many finished products. With the experience we have gained a better understanding of this problem. We decided with our responsible to rely on stock lean. We try to produce as we demand.
Okay.
Now for the good health of our business is important.
Okay, thank you. That was the business presentation Le Bruticourt, a young company that focuses on competition prices while reminded of good enough quality. Because of their production just in time, fast aware to buy their production, there will be no more